Hello guys, today I will do a comparison video of iPhone 13 versus Nothing Phone 1. So let's get start the video. Let's start. Height. iPhone 13 has 146.7 mm height and Nothing Phone 1 has 159.9 mm height. Width. iPhone 13 has 71.5 mm width and Nothing Phone 1 has 75.6 mm width. Thickness. iPhone 13 has 7.7 mm thickness and Nothing Phone 1 has 8.1 mm thickness. Weight. iPhone 13 has 174 gram weight and Nothing Phone 1 has 179 gram weight. Let's talk about display. A screen size. iPhone 13 has 6.1 inches a screen size and Nothing Phone 1 has 6.55 inches a screen size. Resolution. iPhone 13 has 1170 resolution and Nothing Phone 1 has 1080p resolution. Aspect ratio. iPhone 13 has 19:5:9 aspect ratio and Nothing Phone 1 has 20:9 aspect ratio. Pixel density. iPhone 13 has 460 ppi and Nothing Phone 1 has 402 ppi pixel density. Display type. iPhone 13 has OLED display and Nothing Phone 1 has also an OLED display. Protection. iPhone 13 has a scratch resistant ceramic glasses and Nothing Phone 1 doesn't confirm any protection. A screen to body ratio. iPhone 13 has 86% screen to body ratio and Nothing Phone 1 has 86.3% screen to body ratio. Let's talk about camera. Let's start with iPhone 13. It's have a dual camera setup and its primary camera have 12 megapixel aperture 1.6, ultra wide also 12 megapixel aperture 2.4 or STR LED flash. Let's talk about Nothing Phone 1 camera. It's have a dual camera setup and its primary camera have 50 megapixel aperture 1.8, ultra wide 12 megapixel aperture 2.2 or STR LED flash. Let's talk both the phone camera video recording feature. iPhone 13 can record 4K video at 30 fps and Nothing Phone 1 also can record 4K video at 30 fps. Camera selfie. iPhone 13 has 12 megapixel selfie camera and Nothing Phone 1 has only 8 megapixel selfie camera. Let's discuss about hardware. Chipset. iPhone 13 has Apple Bionic A15 and Nothing Phone 1 has Qualcomm Snapdragon 778 Plus processor. Hardware CPU. iPhone 13 has hexa-core 3.2 GHz and Nothing Phone 1 has octa-core 2.5 GHz. Hardware GPU. iPhone 13 has Apple GPU and Nothing Phone 1 has Adreno 642 GPU. RAM. iPhone 13 has 4GB of RAM variant and Nothing Phone 1 has 8GB of RAM variant. Internal storage. iPhone 13 has 128, 256 and 512GB of internal storage and Nothing Phone 1 has 128GB internal storage. Hardware card slot. iPhone 13 doesn't support any card slot and Nothing Phone 1 also doesn't support any card slot. Battery. iPhone 13 has 3240 mAh battery and Nothing Phone 1 has 4500 mAh battery. Fast charging. iPhone 13 has only 23 watt fast charger and Nothing Phone 1 has 45 watt fast charger. Operating system. iPhone 13 has iOS 15 and Nothing Phone 1 has Android 12 Nothing UI 1.0. Let's discuss about. Let's start with iPhone 13. iPhone 13 has Face ID, 5G network, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.0, Lightning USB, NVMe and 60Hz high refresh rate. Let's discuss Nothing Phone 1 connectivity. It also supports side-mounted fingerprint, support 5G network, NFC, 120Hz high refresh rate, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, UFS 3.1 or Wi-Fi 6. Let's discuss about price. iPhone 13 come around $72,000 of $699 of 4GB RAM or 128GB internal storage and Nothing Phone 1 come around $30,000 of $384 of 6GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Let's talk on result. iPhone 13 versus Nothing Phone 1. Design wise, both the phone have similar. Camera wise, also both the phone are same. Hardware wise, there is a better hardware on iPhone 13. Connectivity wise, both the phone are same connectivity. Charging wise, there is a better charger on Nothing Phone 1. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you. Good luck.